been racking my brain trying to find a way to make some extra money from home, but it feels impossible with the kids' schedules and everything I've got going on.
Okay, what kind of things do you like to do and are good at?
Well, I was always a really good writer in school, and I'm still the one people come to when they need help figuring out what to say in their emails and stuff.
Aha, perfect. I have an idea for you. Have you ever thought about freelance copywriting?
Freelance copywriting? What's that?
It's a fantastic way to earn from home while doing something you enjoy, writing. Business owners and entrepreneurs pay freelance copywriters to create different types of content to promote their products and services.
Really? What kind of content are we talking about?
Well, there's blog posts, website content, social media posts.
Wow. People pay for that?
Yeah, totally. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. You can also write email campaigns, ad copy, product descriptions, sales pages, video scripts. You get to choose the type of copy you like writing the best.
Well, that sounds great, but I don't have any special qualifications. I don't have a writing degree or business experience or anything like that.
You don't need one. As long as you can write well and learn the ropes, you can get started. Plus, there's plenty of resources and communities to help you get started.
Okay. I can see myself liking this, but where would I find clients?
This is where social media becomes your best friend. Get out there and start networking and engaging on people's posts. It's a fantastic way to connect with business owners who need your help.
Thank you so much for sharing this with me. It feels like a ray of hope.
You've got this. Building your career takes time, but with the right approach, you'll be able to find clients who value your skills and will pay you well for the services you can provide.
You've been super helpful. How'd you learn all this stuff?
I learned everything I know about freelance copywriting from Christa. She's a pro and a fantastic teacher too. You should totally give her a follow right now.